welcome back to Sleeper Barbecue. Today we got another quick one for you. My buddy Panchuco saw me do a fried bologna video a while back and suggested that I smoked the rest of that chub of bologna. So we did that. I barbecued it and I smoked it. Out of this world. Let him know that I did so. He said, so now fry it and make a bologna sandwich. So this one's going to go out to Panchuco. We are going to go ahead and fry a bologna sandwich that was previously smoked and barbecued, but I also did some jalapeno poppers with a chopped brisket, onion and chive flavored cream cheese. I'll use that to fill in to the jalapeno. So I'm going to use it as a bread spread and grill it with the with another slice of the fried bologna. So I'm going to get a little creative with this barbecue smoked bologna. We'll bring it right back. Alright, so as you can see, we're using our Vevor electric tabletop griddle. This thing will open up, lay down flat, and allow you to use both sides of it, or it has the grids in both of these plates, the top and bottom, which will allow you to put grill marks on it or just have a flat surface either way. Great little thing. I enjoy the heck out of this thing, but I want to try and remember and put a link in the description where you can look at this on Amazon should you want to. Alright, so first thing I am going to do is do a little bit of my parquet cheating butter, and I'm going to just a toasting, if you will, on my rolls. Just in case y'all are wondering, as you can see, I am recovering for a pretty crazy eye accident where I was filming fireworks, tripped over my tripod, fell face first into the lens of this camera that I'm recording on right now. So that video will come out, the fall and everything, on Sleeper Adventures channel. I have a couple of videos I put from my vacation. Went to see my sister and brother-in-law, nephew, their newborn child, or not newborns, a year old, but some friends, and just was enjoying myself. We'll bring you right back. I hope y'all had a good 4th of July. I did. Alright, let's check on these rolls. I'm quite certain they're toasted. Oh yeah, toasted nicely. I think that's nicely. Ouch. Next thing I'm going to grill up is going to be a couple slices of onion. Getting back with the cheddar butter. I love this stuff. 2 slices of pre-sliced white onion. Close the lid. Got to season up my onion. My everyday SPG, salt, pepper, and garlic from Uncle Steve. I think we're going to get a little creative and go with Uncle Steve's magic rib. Laters. Hope y'all caught that slicing of that bologna. Never fails. Battery dies every time you don't want to. So here's Tennessee Red video to come out soon. I'm telling you, that vinegar base with that bologna being smoked was out of this world. Fantastic stuff. So we're going to fry a couple more pieces of it today for today's lunch. Alright, we're going to throw our 2, excuse my arm, we're going to throw our 2 thick slices of bologna on here. Sizzle, sizzle. Get that going. There you go. Waiting on me. Alright, there's our bread. Toasted rolls with the grilled onion. I'm going to get that fried bologna off of here before it burns up on me. We're going to use my leftover chopped brisket chili adobe sauce mixed with a onion and chive flavored cream cheese I use for a jalapeno popper filling. But I'm going to use it for a sandwich spread today. And then we're going to put this back on the griddle. Wait, I had an epiphany. Is that what I'm trying to think? An epiphany. Word's too big for sleeper barbecue. I'm going to get a slice of this smoked jalapeno yellow cheddar cheese made by the Amish. And I'm going to top that other piece of fried bologna with it. There you go. Epiphany? Is that what it is? Epiphany. I guess I could have just said an idea. Alright, I am back. We're going to turn the temp down just a little bit. Put some more timer on this thing. This is one thing you either like or hate about this Vevor tabletop electric griddle. It has a timer on there. You know, when you're 65 years old, you don't mind a little bit of backup. You know, should I walk away and forget I had this thing on, it will automatically shut itself off when the timer runs off. Some people may not like that because if you're not paying attention, you could be in the middle of a cook and all of a sudden it turns off. You're not aware of it, but I like it. One slice of bologna. Grilled onion. Here's that jalapeno cream cheese, or the chopped brisket, chive, adobe and chili cream cheese. That there is the other bologna, and this will be topped with the Amish made smoked jalapeno cheddar cheese. Push this release button right here, which will unlock that griddle. Let's just say I changed my mind and now I don't want the grids in there. I want double flat surfaces. I'm trying to do this without getting burned again, y'all. Flipped it in, snapped back in. Again, if you want to release it, you push that button. Let's get this thing closed up. Alright y'all, our grilled cheese sandwiches are done. Right here is the, I can't even open it up right now. We'll try. I'm not going to destroy it trying. But that is our smoked cheddar cheese. And this is our brisket, chopped brisket cream cheese, jalapeno popper filling. Dang. I don't know which one I like better. This cream cheese, chopped brisket, jalapeno popper filling is excellent. That, them grilled onions, that chive and onion flavored cream cheese, adobe sauce and chilies. Did I say chopped brisket? I'm sure I did. Just in case you didn't hear me the first time. That is excellent. put that grilled onion, fried bologna with the jalapeno smoked cheddar cheese on top. It's banging also. Alright y'all, I'm gonna call this one a tie. I'm gonna finish eating and we'll bring y'all back later. Alright, I need to recant what I said. That grilled cheese with the chopped brisket spread just nudged out the smoked cheddar cheese. The smoked barbecued bologna chub video will come out later on this week, but you don't know that because you don't know what day it is now. But anyhow, it'll be out. I'm gonna put these sandwiches out before that. But one sandwich is a chive and onion flavored cream cheese with a chili adobo sauce mixture mixed in and chopped brisket. Fried bologna, grilled onions. The other sandwich was fried bologna, grilled onions, but a smoked cheddar cheese that I get from the Amish people melted down on top. Great stuff. I'm Sleeper. We sure hope to see y'all come back. We'll see you next time.